The sun is so bright. Good morning, guys. So I'm here now on my second full day of adventure. Yeah, yesterday, the first day was not that quite good because the rain was like all around. I mean, in the destination that I went to yesterday is like it was raining cats and dogs. But anyway, second day right now. Hopefully the weather stays like this. Ojalá. Okay, let's go. Let's continue. One more, right? Okay, stop over here for a quick breakfast. So they have lots of action options here. My motorcycle is there. So yeah. What was that? Okay, anyway. So here? Yes. No, it's okay, good. Alright, so let me eat my breakfast. It's actually a nice cute warung. So this is the food that I ordered. Fish and then beef rendang. Of course, you know, when you're in Indonesia, maximize your experience, which is the rendang, which is this famous for. Itadakimasu. Alright, breakfast is done. Now let's go. Guys, in the next few minutes I won't be showing you the highway traffic, because it's just not pleasant to watch because it's so traffic here, lots of traffic. Guys, actually coming here in Ubud from Kuta is, wow, traffic is horrible. But anyway, we are here now in the Ubud, and actually it's in the higher elevation. So yeah, let's just continue our ride to our destination. Alright, let's continue. And right now, actually, what I'm taking are the smaller roads just to beat the traffic. Oh my god, because I didn't expect that the traffic here, even outside Denpasar, is still horrible. But anyway, we're almost there. Finally, after like 2 hours drive of that motorcycle, I just parked it there. I'm here, Rice Terraces in Bali. It's called Tigalalang. So, by the way, to get in here, you need to pay 25,000 rupiah as an entrance fee. Okay, let's go there. There you go, guys. This is the rice terraces they have here in Bali. Pretty amazing, no? And I can see, I mean, I can smell the smell of the rice, or the scent of the rice. We have plenty of these rice terraces, very grand in the northern part of the Philippines. But you know, seeing another rice terraces in another country is quite spectacular. This one. In here, you can actually just do, you know, simple trekking here, like what I'm doing right now. And they have this cute hammock, pretty cute. For customer only. Ah, okay. All right. Let's explore this part here. So here, if you step down a little bit, you'll get a closer view of the rice terraces. And they actually have random amenities here, like this giant swing. That would be lovely, right? To try it here. But I can skip that for now. I'm just interested in this natural creation of God, the terraces. I'm now deep in the jungle here of the terraces, and they have this wooden bridge, so you need to be very careful here. Yeah, there's actually quite a strong stream flowing. So here I'm in the middle of the Tigalalang rice terraces. Amazing, right? Okay, yeah, lots of tourists there. I think it's time for me to go up there now, back there, to have my drinks. Let's go. All right, my refreshment here. I'm sweating right now, guys, so that's why. Perfect. I'm now heading towards a waterfalls. It's called I don't know if I pronounce it right. It's Tegenuan Waterfalls. Let's go check that out. Alright, so we are here. Parking area to the left. I think we need to park first the motorcycle. Alright, just stay there, motorcycle. So I'm now here at the entrance. So Teganuan Waterfall, this is the tariff, 30,000 rupiah per ticket. Alright, let's go there now. So yeah, as expected, right after the entrance gate is the lots of souvenir shops here, or snack shops on the way to the falls. Alright, so there's the waterfall. Yeah, it's actually majestic. It has a strong drop, probably maybe 50 meters, possibly, and it flows out there. Amazing. I think it's allowed to swim. Yeah, I want to do that. Let's go. Yeah, actually it's a pretty decent waterfall. Amazing. And lots of people are actually having there's a swimming pool, like an infinity pool, and then people are swimming both into the swimming pool and waterfall. So I'm right here now at the bottom, and yeah, you'll see lots of people here. It's actually a good tourist trap. Well, after all, you know, people are coming here for holiday vacation, so why not enjoy the water here of the waterfall. Alright, so to get to the waterfall, you have to traverse this cemented path heading there.
I will take picture from there.
Okay, I don't know if I'm going to swim, but it looks inviting, the water, at least there, just to, you know, cool down my body, because I'm heating up now. I'm burning and I'm sweating. See? Okay, so fast forward. I'm already fresh because I took my shower, and people are actually like, hey. So, okay, anyway, so I'm heading now towards the beach. Okay, and so fast forward, I already back here in my area, in my accommodation, and then just trying to experience the last sunset here in Bali, while I'm still here in Bali. So the beach is actually towards there, so let's go that direction. By the way, this mobile bar is very common here in Bali. Okay. So let's go there. So I'll just show you the Kuta beach. I was here yesterday. So the famous Kuta beach. One thing I noticed, it's very dirty. Yeah, like trashes are everywhere. I don't know, like, you know, this is premier. I mean, this is the top tourist destination here. One of the top tourist destinations here in Bali, but it's the coastal side is just lots of trashes. I'm now here at the end of the, southern part of Kuta beach, and this is actually the Discovery Mall. It's just right in front of the ocean. So it's a perfect place to hang out during the afternoon. Like, for example, lots of locals or tourists alike they are here converging, enjoying the view. And then some people are actually doing some exercises here, like jogging, running. Yeah. And lots of hotels, resorts dotted along the coast here at the southern part of Kuta beach, like this one. There's a helipad, and that's a very big Indonesian flag. Alright, so I end my video here along the coast of Kuta beach here in Bali. But guys, one thing I noticed here, Kuta Beach is actually the premier, I mean the one of the top tourist destinations here in Bali, but look at the trash. It's just everywhere. Yuck. Ew. See that? Lots of trash. Plastics, plastics, plastics. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, so with me is my banana choco chips. Okay. This is actually our business in Manila, Philippines. And it's actually very good business. So I just wanna show it here in my vlog here in Bali. Yeah, banana choco chips variant. Actually, we have lots of variants, and then I just brought with me one, the banana choco chips. So okay, guys. So yeah, thank you for joining me in my Bali trip. It's been a long time that I haven't been doing the vlogging. Okay. That's why, you know, sometimes I forgot how to do it, or you know, it's just unlike before. But anyhow, it's good to be back on the internet here on YouTube. And so thank you so much for joining me here in my travel in Bali, Indonesia. All right, so if you like this video, please let me know by clicking the like button, subscribe down below, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you on the next video, guys. Bye for now.